Hi first grade friends, it's Mrs. Gady, and this is our first number corner lesson together at my house. I brought some of the number corner things home with me. I want to spend today getting us caught up, so we won't do everything, just some of the things. So let's look at this calendar again. Some things have changed, some things have not. It is still March. The year is still 2020, but the season has changed. So let me show you up here. While we have been apart from each other, winter has changed to spring. I will show you what day that happened on as we catch up on the calendar. So let's just go back to the beginning here for one moment and look at this calendar and kind of remember what our patterns were. If I take us back to the very first day in March and look at the clock, it was showing us that it was 12 o'clock. Both the little hand and the big hand are pointing to the 12. Then the next day, that minute hand, the big hand, the long hand, it tick, 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 tick all the way around and pointed to the 6, meaning 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 30 minutes passed. Then the next day, another 30 minutes passed and we got to 1 o'clock. Next day, 60 minutes passed and we got all the way to 2 o'clock. Then we discovered the next day that the time was being shown on a digital clock instead of the analog clock, and another 30 minutes had passed. The digital clock was reading 2:30. Let's look at this pattern. 30 minutes passed, 30 minutes passed, 60 minutes. 30 minutes passed, 30 minutes passed, 60 minutes passed. 30 minutes passed, 30 minutes passed, 60 minutes passed. 30 minutes passed, 30 minutes passed, 60 minutes passed. This right here is the last day we were together in school. It was Friday, March 13th. That's when we last saw each other. Then a bunch of days passed. So let me show you right here. We weren't together on Saturday the 14th or Sunday the 15th. Then came Monday and school was canceled on Monday. All the teachers were getting ready for online classes. So Monday, we weren't together. It was the 16th. Tuesday, we were not together. It was the 17th. Then on Wednesday, these online classes started. That was Wednesday the 18th. The next day was Thursday the 19th, and this was the day, Thursday the 19th, that was the first day of spring. That's when our season changed. So we were doing online classes together on that day, and then came Friday the 20th. Ooh, we've got another digital clock. Friday the 20th, that was our third day of online school. Then came Saturday, just this past weekend. That was the 21st. Then yesterday was Sunday, the 22nd. And if you look at this clock, you can notice the time. The little hand, the hour, is pointing to the 2. And the big hand, the minutes, is pointing to the 12. When something points to the 12 on the minute hand, it means o'clock. So we say this time is 2 o'clock. That was yesterday. I haven't been keeping track of how many minutes are passing, so I'm going to put this back on Sunday's pocket and try to figure out just exactly how much time should be passing for the next card, for today's card. So let me go back here. If I go back to the 15th, I see that it said 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 10:30, 11 o'clock. So wait, an hour passed, 60 minutes, 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 60 minutes. 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 60 minutes. After 60, let's see, I do believe that 30 more minutes should pass. So if yesterday's clock said 2 o'clock and 30 minutes passes, it should say for today, prediction. Should I pull a stick? That'd be kind of silly. Let's see. 30 minutes. It should say 2:30. 30 minutes have passed since yesterday's card. Let me show that to you on our big clock right here. So I brought this home with me too. Yesterday on Sunday, the time was reading 2 o'clock, but 30 minutes passed. So let's count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. And now our clock says 2:30. Notice that that big hand is kind of in between the 2 and the 3, but it's still in the 2 o'clock zone. So we still say it's 2:30. All right, I'm going to put this down. I'm going to save the other things for another time because this video has gone long enough, my friends. So until next time, bye.